Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Thank you. So let us have some more problems on Taylor's series and Maclaurin's series. Expand the log of 1 plus x to base e as a series of x. So you have to expand log of 1 plus x to base e as a series of x using Maclaurin's series. Let f of x be equal to log of 1 plus x. F of x be equal to log of 1 plus x. First, we have to find f of 0. That is, you have to replace x by 0. F of 0 is log of 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Log 1 is 0. Log 1 to any base is always 0. So we'll get f of 0 equals 0. Next is first derivative, f dash of x. F dash of x or f I of x, which is equal to 1 by 1 plus x, because differentiation of log of 1 plus x is 1 by 1 plus x. You can also write that in the fashion 1 plus x whole power minus 1. When x is 0, f dash of 0 is 1 by 1 plus 0, therefore it is 1. Next, you have to find its second derivative. So that is f double dash of x equals 1 plus x whole power minus 1 can be differentiated as minus 1 into 1 plus x whole power minus 1, that is minus 2. Again, you have to find f double dash of 0 by putting x equals 0. You will get minus 1 because 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 power minus 2 is 1, but minus 1 is there, therefore you will get minus 1. Similarly, you have to differentiate once again, that is third differentiation, f triple dash of x. So that is minus 1 into, you have to differentiate minus 1 into 1 plus x whole power minus 2. It is minus 1 into minus 2 into 1 plus x whole power minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. You can write this as minus 1 square, because minus 1 into minus 2 is nothing but plus 2. You can write that as minus 1 square into 2 factorial, because 2 factorial is 2 into 1 plus x whole power minus 3. Further, f triple dash of 0 is, by putting x equals 0, you will get minus 1 square into 2 factorial. Similarly, you can find fourth derivative and also fourth derivative at the point 0, x equals 0. That is, fourth derivative at the point 0 is given by minus 1 cube into 3 factorial by putting x equals 0. And continue like this. Next, what is Maclaurin's series? The Maclaurin series is f of x equals f of 0, x into f dash of 0, x square by 2 factorial into f double dash of 0, plus so on. The nth term is x raised to n by n factorial into nth derivative at the point 0, plus so on up to infinity. This is Maclaurin series. So substitute all the values. What is our f of x? F of x is log of 1 plus x. F of 0 is 0. X into f dash of 0 is what? 1. Plus x square by 2 factorial into f double dash of 0 is what? Minus 1. And x cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash of 0. What is f triple dash of 0? It is 2 factorial into minus 1 square. Plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial into f fourth derivative at the point 0. It is 3 factorial into minus 1 power whole cube, plus you can just write plus so on up to infinity. Nth term baribekadilla. So plus so on up to infinity. If you simplify this, you will get first term is 0, second term is x into 1 is x, next is minus x square by 2 factorial is 2, remember. Next, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6. Therefore, you will get minus 1 square is plus 1. So, I will get plus x cube by 3 minus 4 factorial is 24. 3 factorial is 6. 6 divided by 24 is 4. You will get minus x raised to 4 by 4 because minus 1 cube is minus 1. Plus so on to infinity. This is the expansion of log of 1 plus x to base e. It is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x raised to 4 plus so on up to infinity. This is the expansion of log of 1 plus x using Maclaurin's series. Similarly, expand tan inverse x as a series of x. Let y be equal to tan inverse x. Our f of x is what? Tan inverse x. Y of 0, that is f of 0. Y of 0 is nothing but f of 0. Putting x equals 0, tan inverse 0 is 0. Tan inverse 0 is 0. Differentiating with respect to x, you will get y1. y1 is dy by dx equals differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Cross multiply this, you will get 1 plus x square into y1 equals 1. Put now x equals 0, so that you will get y1 of 0. First derivative at the point 0 you will get. Putting x equals 0, you will get 1 into y1 of 0, remember. You are substituting, it is not y1, but it is y1 of 0. So y1 of 0 is 1. So we'll get y1 of 0, 1. Next, differentiate this once again, both sides with respect to x, using product rule. What is the product rule? First function is 1 plus x square. Second function y1, its derivative is y2 plus y1 into differentiation of 1 plus x square is what? Using product rule, it is 2x equals differentiation of the constant 1 is what? 0. Next, put x equals 0. If you put x equals 0, you will get y2 of 0 plus here you will get 0. So y2 of 0 is also 0. We require nth differentiation because we require third differentiation, fourth differentiation, fifth differentiation. For the nth differentiation using Leibniz rule of differentiation, Leibniz rule for nth differentiation of the product of two functions is given by 1 plus x square into nth derivative of y2. What is nth derivative of y2? That is yn plus 2 plus. In the Leibniz theorem, what we have is nc1. So we'll get nc1 into yn plus 1, the one derivative less than yn plus 2, that is yn plus 1. Differentiation of 1 plus x square. What is differentiation of 1 plus x square? 2x plus. Next term is nc2 into one derivative less than yn plus 1. So one derivative short of yn plus 1 is yn plus 2x differentiation is 2 plus nc3 next. Next term is nc3 plus, okay, next term differentiation you won't get because differentiation of 2 is what? 0. ಅದರಿಂದ end ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Next ಇನ್ನೊಂದು term ಇದೆ 2xy1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು using Leibniz rule. So therefore yn plus 1 into 2x plus nc1 into ಇದರ one derivative ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ yn plus 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ will get y1. 2x differentiation is 2. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ end ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next term ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 the differentiation ಬರಬೇಕು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ which is equal to right side 0 ಇದೆ, you will get to 0. Grouping the corresponding terms here, remember nc1 ಇರಲಿ n ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, nc2 ಇರಲಿ n into n minus 1 by 2 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, nc1 ಇರಲಿ n ಬರೀರಿ, nc2 ಇರಲಿ n into n minus 1 by 2 ಬರೆದು simplify ಮಾಡಿ, you will get 1 plus x square into yn plus 2 plus 2 into n plus 1 into x yn plus 1 plus n into n plus 1 into yn equals 0. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ y2 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ y3 ಬರುವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. y3 ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ y4 ಬೇಕು, y4 ಅಂದರೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರ ಬದಲು ಅದನ್ನು nth ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೈ ಪುಟ್ x equals 0. ನಾವು ಪುಟ್ x equals 0, you will get yn plus 2 of 0. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 0 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ yn plus 2 ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 0 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ yn plus 2 at x equals 0 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನು yn plus 2 of 0 plus ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x equals 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ 0 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ x ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೂರನೇ ಟರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ x ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ 0 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ y x ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ yn of 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ -n into n plus 1 into yn of 0. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ put n equals 1. ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ n equals 1 ಕೊಡಿ. 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ y3 of 0 equals n1, 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2, you will get -1 into 2. n1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ y1 of 0. ಬಟ್ y1 of 0 ನಿಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು? y1 of 0 is 1 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ y1 of 0 ಇರಲಿ 1 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get -1 into 2. This is nothing but -1 into 2 factorial, because 2 is nothing but 2 factorial. Next, put n equals 2 here. Put n equals 2. So we will get y2 plus 2, 4, 0. Andre y4 of 0 minus n equals 2 kottaga -2 into 3 into y2 of 0. But y2 of 0 value bandide namage. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? y2 of 0, 0. ಅದನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡಿ. You will get y4 of 0 equals 0 because y2 of 0 is 0. Next. y5 of 0 by putting n equals 3. y5 n equals 5 kottaga illi y, if you put n equals 3 here, you will get 3 plus 2 andre y5 of 0, and 3 into 3 plus 1 agutte idralli. So therefore it is -3 into 4 this is, because 3 into 3 plus 1 andre -3 into 4. n ಗೆ 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ y3 of 0. But y3 of 0 value ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. What is the y3 of 0? -1 into 2 factorial. ಅದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. You will get -1 square, because ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ 1 into 2. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 ಆಯ್ತು. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 ಅಂದರೆ that is 4 factorial. Next, put n equals 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 plus 2 ಅಂದರೆ 6. y6 of 0 n equals 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ y4 of 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, but y4 of 0 is 0. ಅದರಿಂದ y6 of 0 is 0. Similarly, y7 of 0 is -1 cube into 6 factorial. Substituting these values in Maclaurin series. So, what is the Maclaurin series? This y equals f of x ಇದ್ದಾಗೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ f of 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗೆ ಅದರ ಬದಲು y of 0 plus x into f dash of 0 ಇತ್ತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y1 of 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. y1 of 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, f dash of 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, plus x square by 2 factorial into f double dash of 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, y2 of 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial into y3 of 0 plus so on. Substitute all the values. What is y? Andre f of x, that is tan inverse x. Y of 0 is what? 0 plus x into y1 of 0 value ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡಿ, that is 1. x square by 2 factorial into y2 of 0 is 0. Similarly, x cube by 3 factorial into -1 into 2 factorial plus so on. Substituting those values. X raised to 5 by 5 factorial, -1 square 4 factorial plus so on. Simplify this. X into 1, that is x. Second term, third term is 0. Fourth term, so that is x cube by 3 factorial into 2 factorial is there. 2 factorial is 2. 3 factorial is 6. 2 by 6 under 3. So with negative sign here, you will get -x cube by 3. Similarly, x raised to 5 by 5 minus x raised to 7 by 7. So this is the expansion of tan inverse x using Maclaurin series. So using Maclaurin series, the expansion of tan inverse x is x minus x cube by 3 plus x raised to 5 by 5 minus x raised to 7 by 7 plus so on up to infinity. Okay, these problems are very important in view of the examination. The next problem was asked in the examination. Expand log of 1 plus cos x up to the term containing x to the power 4. That is up to x to the power 4 term. X to the power 4 term ಬರೋವರೆಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು expand ಮಾಡಬೇಕು using Maclaurin's series. Let y is equal to log of 1 plus x. First, we have to find y of 0. That is by putting x equals 0. Cos 0 is what? 1. Log 1 is what? Cos 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Therefore, log 2. Therefore, y of 0 is log 2. This is obtained by putting x equals 0 in y. Next, differentiate y. You will get y1 1 by 1 plus cos x, because differentiation of log is 1 by 1 plus cos x, and differentiation of 1 plus cos x is minus sin x, because differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Write this in terms of half angles. Sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2, of course, with negative sign. Next, 2 cancels. 1 cos x by 2 cancels. What is left? Sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. What is sin x by 2 by cos x by 2? It is tan x by 2 with negative sign. Next, put x equals 0. Tan 0. 0 by 2 is what? 0. Tan 0 is what? 0. Therefore, y1 of 0 is 0 by putting x equals 0 in y1. Next, you have to differentiate this once again. y2 differentiation is minus tan differentiation is what? Secant square x by 2 into differentiation of x by 2 is what? 1 by 2. So it is minus half secant square x by 2. Secant can be written as in terms of tan. So it is minus half 1 plus tan square x by 2 is secant square x by 2. This is minus 1 by 2. But what is tan x by 2? Tan x by 2 is minus y1, or y1 is minus tan x by 2. So you will get square rather than the minus y1 square, and you will get 1 plus y1 square. This is what? y2. Next, you can find y2 of 0. What is y2 of 0? By putting x equals 0, minus half 1 plus y1 square of 0. y1 square of 0. But what is y1 of 0? y1 of 0 is 0. y1 square of 0, that is also 0. Substitute there, you will get minus half. Next, y3 is, you have to differentiate this once again with respect to x. It is minus half is constant. 1 plus y1 square differentiation is 1 is 0. y1 square again 2y1 into differentiation of y1, that is y2. Next, take x equals 0. y3 of 0 is minus 2 cancels here. y1 of 0 into y2 of 0. But y1 of 0 is what? y1 of 0 is 0. And what is y2 of 0? y2 of 0 is minus half. So the substitute multiplier will get 0 into minus half, that is 0. Next, you have to find y4. How do you find y4? Minus, so you have to differentiate this once again. 2 cancels here. Differentiation of y1 into y2 using product rule. So it is minus y2 into differentiation of y1 is what? y2. Next, y1 into differentiation of y2 is what? Next differentiation, that is y3. So we will get y4 equals minus y2 into y2 minus y1 into y3. This is using product rule. In the product rule, y1 into differentiation of y2, y2 into differentiation of y1. Because of minus for both the terms, you will get minus y2 into y2 minus y1 into y3. Next, y4 of 0 by putting x equals 0. y4 of 0 is y2 of 0 into y2 of 0 minus y1 of 0 into y3 of 0, that is. So substitute this. But you know the value of y2 of 0. y2 of 0 is minus half. Minus half this is. And y2 of 0 is minus half. Minus y1 of 0 is 0. Therefore, the entire term, this becomes 0. You will get minus 1 by 4. This is because here is 1 minus and here you have 2 minus. Therefore, it is minus 1 by 4. Next, they substitute these values in the Maclaurin's series. So if we substitute y equals y of 0 plus x into y1 of 0 plus x square by 2 factor into f double dash of 0, that is nothing but y2 of 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial into y3 of 0 plus so on up to infinity. Next, the next term after x cube is x raised to 4 by 4 factorial into y4 of 0. Substitute this log of 1 plus x, this is y. Y of 0 is what? Log 2. y1 of 0 is 0, therefore x into 0, plus x square by 2 factorial, y2 of 0 is minus half, plus x cube by 3 factorial into y3 of 0 is 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು ದಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರೈಸ್ ಟು 4 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರೈಸ್ ಟು 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರೈಸ್ ಟು 4 by 4 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ into minus 1 by 4 plus yes, any doubt? Do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
No, right. Thank you. Next, substituting these values here, ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ x raised to 4 ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಅಪ್ ಟು ದಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ x raised to 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ x raised to 4 ಬರೋವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ log 2 x into 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು minus x square by 2 factorial ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Next term is 0. ಇದು 4 factorial ಅಂದ್ರೆ 24. 24 into 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 96. Therefore it is minus x raised to 4 by 96 plus so on. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ x raised to 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಅದು ಮುಂದಿನ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರೆಯುವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬರೆದ್ರು ಏನು ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ log 2 minus x square by 4 minus x raised to 4 by 96 plus so on up to infinity. Next, show that secant x equals 1 plus x square by 2 factorial, 5x raised to 4 by 4 factorial, plus so on up to infinity. Again here, first take y equal to secant x. What is the first differentiation? y1, secant x into tan x. Differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. But what is secant x? Secant x is y. So I can write this as y tan x, because you can replace secant x by y. So you'll get y tan x. Next, differentiate this once again. You will get y2, which is equal to product rule. Here you have to use product rule for y tan x. First function is what? Y. Second function is what? Tan x. Or take first function as y, that is tan x, and second function as y, no matter, because it's a product rule. So tan x into differentiation of y is what? y1. So I will get y1 into tan x plus y into differentiation of tan x. What is differentiation of tan x? Secant square x. So it is y1 into tan x plus, what is secant square x? Secant x is y. Secant square x is what? Y square. So you will get y square into y, it is y cube. Differentiate this once again. You will get y3. Again use the product rule here. Tan x into differentiation of y1 is what? y2 plus y1 into differentiation of tan x is what? Secant square x plus y cube differentiation is what? 3y square into differentiation of y, first differentiation, that is y1. So simplify this, y2 tan x plus, what is secant square x? Secant square x is y square. So we will get y1 into y square plus 3y square into y1. Illenu baribekadilla, keep it as it is, 3y square into y1. Next, differentiate this once again. You will get y4. What is y4? y3 tan x into differentiation of y2 is what? y3 plus y2 into differentiation of tan x is what? Secant square x plus, here it is product rule again, y1 into y2 y square again, product rule use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So we will get y square into differentiation of y1 is what? y2. Y square into differentiation of y1 is y2 plus y1 into differentiation of y square is 2y into y1. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ 3y square y1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ y3 tan x plus 5y2 into secant square x is nothing but what? Y square plus 8y y1 y1 square. ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ y ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ let us find the values. Y of 0, x equals 0 substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ secant 0 ಎಷ್ಟು 1. So y of 0 is 1. y1 of 0 is y of 0 into tan 0. Tan 0 is 0. So y1 of 0 is 0. y2 of 0 is what? y1 of 0 into tan 0 plus y1 of 0 whole cube. y of 0 whole cube. Y of 0 whole cube is y cube is y of 0 whole cube. But y of 0 value bandide ಎಷ್ಟು 1 bandide, whole cube andre 1. So I will get y cube. Y cube of 0, that is 1. Hage y3 of 0, that is 0 plus 4 into y1 of 0 plus y2 of 0, y square of 0. ಅಲ್ಲಿ values bandide substitute ಮಾಡಿ you will get 0. Similarly y of 0 nu substitute ಮಾಡಿ you will get 5 because our values y2 of 0 ಇವೆಲ್ಲ substitute ಮಾಡಿ, so we will get 5. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ y square of 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, y2 of 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? What is y2 of 0? That is 1. 5 into 1 into 1, so therefore it is 5. ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ because y of 0 is how much? Y of 0 is 1. So y of 0 is 1. Y and y square of y1 square of 0. What is y1 square? That is 0. y1 square of y1 of 0 is 0. Therefore y1 square of 0, that is also 0. So each term is 0. First term 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 into 1 into 1. Therefore it is 5. Next, substitute these values in the Maclaurin series. So what is Maclaurin series? Y equals f of x equals y of 0 plus x into y1 of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial into y2 of 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial into y3 of 0 plus so on to infinity. So I substitute those values. Secant x equals 1 plus x into 0 plus x square by 2 factorial into a values alla substitute ಮಾಡಿ you will get 1 plus x square by 2 factorial in plus 5x raised to 4 by 4 factorial plus so on up to infinity. Similarly, you have one more problem, but you work out that problem and take it as an exercise. Expand e raised to x cos x up to x to the power 4 term. You have to take y equals e raised to x cos x, and y1 is e raised to product rule use ಮಾಡಿ cos x into differentiation of e raised to x is what? E raised to x minus e raised to x into differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? e raised to x into e raised to x into e raised to x ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 by root 2 cos x minus 1 by root 2 sin x ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ 1 by root 2 ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 1 by root 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಉಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ 1 by root 2 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? ಕಾಸ್ sin 45 ಅಥವಾ cos 45 ಬರಿಬಹುದು. cos 45 is what? 1 by root 2. And ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin 45 is 1 by root 2. ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀ sin 45 ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos x cos pi by 4 minus sin x sin pi by 4. ಇದೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. cos a cos b minus sin a sin b andre it is cos of x plus pi by 4. cos of a plus b, that is x plus pi by 4. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ y2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ you have to find y3 also. Next yn ಆಮೇಲೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. you go through this problem, ನಾನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. so therefore what we have is 1 plus x cube by x minus x cube by 3 minus x raised to 4 by 6 e raised to x cos x. So therefore that is the expansion of e raised to x cos x. Okay, I shall conclude this. In the next class we shall have a L'Hospital rule. So it's an important rule and you will have only problems on that. You don't have a theory part, but I have to explain it. I shall take up that in the next class. Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts in these problems?
No, sir.
Okay, right. Thank you.